Imagine a mirror so perfect and so huge that it could reflect the entire universe, every particle, every galaxy, every law of physics without any distortion. If nature were perfectly symmetrical, this mirror universe would look and behave exactly like ours, only with left and right swapped. Every right hand would become a left hand. Every spiral galaxy would wind the other way. But in reality, the reflection wouldn't just be reversed, it would be fundamentally different. From the behavior of subatomic particles to the twist of DNA, nature doesn't always follow the mirror's rules. This truth burst into view in 1957 when Chien-Shiung Wu's groundbreaking experiment confirmed the violation of parity symmetry in weak nuclear interactions, shattering physicists' belief in nature's mirror-like perfection. That moment opened new pathways to understanding for interrelated concepts that collectively shape both the quantum realm and the living world: chirality, mirror symmetry, parity transformations, and handedness. These four concepts capture different shades of nature's directional bias, though their exact definitions can vary between physics and biology. In physics, parity refers to full three-dimensional spatial inversion, flipping all coordinates simultaneously, while mirror symmetry is a special case involving reflection across a single plane. Chirality describes any object or system whose mirror image cannot be superimposed onto the original, a definition shared across disciplines. Handedness, however, is context-dependent. In particle physics, it relates to the alignment between a particle's spin and its momentum, whereas in molecular biology, it describes the structural twist or configuration of molecules, such as the right-handed double helix of DNA or the L form of amino acids. Among these concepts, the weak nuclear force offers perhaps the clearest proof of nature's handedness. The weak force couples only to left-handed particles, creating a fundamental asymmetry in nature's forces. All known neutrinos are left-handed, and the 1964 discovery of CP violation in kaon decays revealed nature's preference for matter over antimatter. Quantum field theory deepens this understanding through the chiral anomaly, a phenomenon where quantum effects break classical symmetries. This creates an imbalance in the number of left and right-handed fermions, particularly significant for massless particles such as photons, gluons, and neutrinos. This quantum scale bias toward handedness finds a remarkable echo in the molecular world of living organisms. Nearly all amino acids in living organisms adopt the L configuration, while sugars predominantly occur in D forms. This molecular handedness ensures the precision of life's biochemical machinery. The origins of this homochirality remain mysterious. Possible causes range from cosmic influences to spontaneous symmetry breaking in prebiotic chemistry, but its importance is undeniable. The thalidomide tragedy, in which two mirror image molecules had radically different effects on the human body, showed the stakes. The link between these physical and biological asymmetries hinge at a single principle running through nature. From quantum fluctuations to DNA helices, the universe consistently favors specific orientations, creating complexity through controlled asymmetry rather than perfect balance. Research into neutrinos, exotic materials, and the chemistry of life's origins continues to reveal the depth of this connection. Nature's broken symmetries are not mistakes, they are markers, the fingerprints of a universe that builds richness not from perfect balance but from purposeful imbalance. When we hold that perfect mirror to the universe, the subtle wrongness we see isn't a flaw, it's the signature of a cosmos that chooses complexity over perfect balance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.